Hey guys, Eddie from Harlembling. Today I'm going to make perhaps the most important video for all of you guys that own silver, whether you have Harlembling chains or whether you have silver rings or pendants from another company. But first, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. Click that link down below or up top or to the sides. I want to take over YouTube. Same as we took over the jewelry game, we're going to take over YouTube next. So guys, solid 925 silver oxidizes. Whether it's a chain or whether it's a necklace or a bracelet, with time, if you do not wear it every day, it starts developing a black patina on it. Unlike brass, that the more you wear it, silver is very interesting. The more you wear it, the oils from your body make a layer. This oxidation is actually oxygen molecules attaching to the sterling silver underneath. So these two pieces these are for my personal collection, and they've been in a drawer for a few years. That's why you see the black. Some black on jewelry is actually beneficial. We're going to start selling these chains. These are sparkle chains. They're oxidized on purpose. So in a laboratory, they're bombarded with oxygen molecules until they become black. Or certain pendants, to give you guys more details, we bombarded that side with oxygen molecules to make it black. So what do you guys do if you took out a Harlembling chain that you bought from 3 years ago? You have a few options. First of all, 3 years ago, silver was much cheaper. You probably turned a profit. You can take this chain, sell it in a pawn shop, and probably buy 2 chains. But if you guys want to restore it, or any other piece of jewelry, I recommend a product called Mr. Clean. It's much cheaper than professional jewelry cleaning solutions that a little bottle is going to be $30. One of these sponges is about $1. Sell them in Home Depot, any hardware store. They look like this. You can also use baking soda. You can use toothpaste. There's a lot of things. So you take your jewelry and literally you go 2-3 times. And I'm not speeding up this video. As you guys can see, that's the oxidation. If you do this with brass, it would be ruined by now. You're not getting off that green stuff. You do it with silver. It starts looking like brand new again. Look at the shine. You have a new chain in front of you. Now look at this black spots. You go over it just a few times. And Mr. Clean is nice. You don't need to add water or anything to it. It's very gentle on your hands. Now let's do this part. And it's brand new. Again, guys, if you wear your chain every day, you do not need to do this, because the oils from your body prevent the oxygen from hitting the silver. Now look at this, guys. Shiny, like it's brand new. And again, I did this for 20 seconds. To really do this, you have to spend a few minutes. You have to get all the surfaces. And you have a brand new chain again. This is why, guys, you have to buy silver. It's a precious metal. This stuff was in the ground for thousands of years. They dig up silver chains that ancient Romans had, the Queen Cleopatra had around her neck, and put them in museums right now. Brass, iron, Look at swords from the ancient empires. They're all green and rusty, and they try to make them out of 20 pieces to try to display them. Silver looks the same now as it looked 2,000 years ago. The silver chain that you will buy from Harlembling, you can give to your kids. They'll give to their grandkids. It's an investment. It's a lifetime piece. So yeah, guys, you'll spend an extra $50 on a silver chain, but you're not getting trash brass. That's it. Until next time.